everyone, welcome to Drawing with Mrs. Bodden. Today we're going to draw a picture out of Drawing Shape by Shape. This one is my son Sawyer's pick, so he was pretty ecstatic to be able to help me today. So we're going to start. This one is going to do squares. So I'm going to just pick up one of my markers. I'm going to use black for today. You can choose whatever color you want. You can be drawing on whatever you have with whatever supplies you have. So again, Sawyer's pick. So he got to have some fun with me. So we're going to start by drawing two squares. You want one square, and then your second one you're going to want just below it, and you're going to want it to be just a little bit smaller. So our top square is going to be his face. Our bottom square is going to be his body. So in this top square, we're going to draw kind of a rounded rectangle. And that's where his eyes and nose are going to go. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw those eyes and nose. So give him some round eyeballs, and give him a little bit of a nose. And then I'm going to give him some eyebrows, just to kind of give him a little bit of personality. If you want, you could give him some hair. Your choice. After that, we're going to draw arms and legs. So his arms, because he is an astronaut, are going to look kind of like big oven mitts. So they're going to come out. You're going to round them out where the fingers are. Give him a thumb and go back in. We're going to do the same for the other side. So come out, round it around where his fingers are, give him a thumb, and come back in. Now, do they have to be the same length? No. This is just kind of a fun drawing with you guys. After that, we got to give him some legs. His legs are going to look kind of like Christmas stockings. So you can come out from the center like a V to make sure we get two of them. Come out from both the edges of that rectangle, and then round it out into a foot. Round it out into a foot. Now we get to add the details to make this look like an astronaut. So we'll give his helmet some details. Give him that hose so that he can get some air into his helmet. Divide off his arms so that it actually looks like they're gloves, and you could divide those into some fingers if you wanted to. Turn his legs into some boots, and then you can add a little bit of a design to his actual spacesuit. So give him a waist, maybe give him a little lightning bolt. And voila, you have a astronaut. Now, if you wanted to get more detailed and add some more extras to this, you could draw a planet. You could draw some stars. Make him look like he's floating in outer space. Complete the picture, that type of thing. So, what's next after that? Add color. So I'm not going to color mine because I want you guys to color yours how you think you want. And hopefully you enjoyed this little boy astronaut from My Little Boy. I will see you guys next time. Bye.